friends, today we are going to convert the MySQL source code into the .NET platform dependent code. For this we need to download the MySQL source code from the MySQL website, and we also require the two software. One is the Bison and another one is the CMake software. These two softwares are the basic requirement for conversion the MySQL source code into the .NET dependent code. So firstly we will install the CMake software, after that Bison software, then you will get the desktop icon of CMake software, and the Bison software is in the C drive. That will be the in program files GNU Win32. Go to this folder, then go to bin folder and copy this address. We'll paste in the environment variables. So we'll copy this address, copy address, then go to the menu, My Computer Properties, then go to the Advanced System Settings, yes, go to the Advanced tab, then Environmental Variables, then search the system variable name, that one is the path. After searching this path name, we will edit, and after putting the semicolon, we will paste the path of that Bison software. Then put OK, OK, then OK. The environmental variables has been set, and now we will see the source code. The source code is stored in C drive, and this one is the source code. Then open CMake software, select the name source code which has been stored in C drive, OK, and now give the output path where you need to save the binary files. So browse build desktop and select any name of folder. Note that the folder should be blank. Then select ABC1, OK, configure. Now when we will configure the source code, it will ask the compiler name. The compiler name is over here, the 2008 Visual Studio 2008. The current software which you have been installed, like .NET 2008, .NET 2010, .NET 2005, the software which has been installed, select that platform, finish, and it will check the compiler that it has been installed or not. Wait for a moment, it will give the output. Configuration has been done. Now generate. It will generate the binaries and platform dependent code. I think the binaries has been completed. Go to this ABC1 folder. Now we'll see over here the old Microsoft.NET platform dependent files has been generated, and there is one solution file. That one is the mysql.sln file. Now open this file. This will be open in Microsoft Visual Studio 2008 because it has been generated by the compiler of 2008. Wait for a moment. Now we'll see over here the old files has been add it into the .NET platform. This complete is the source code. The Solution Explorer is showing the complete source code of MySQL. This is the complete software. Now you can debug or release. This is your choice. Now after debugging, it will compile and show the error. If there is an error, then it will show. Otherwise, the compilation has been done. It will take lots of time, so after debugging, then we will release. The next part will be covering these all steps. Thanks a lot. Thanks.